How to add watch video button in Facebook page to connect and drive traffic to YouTube channel page. So let's begin the video. In Facebook page, you need to click this three-dotted horizontal More option. In this menu, you need to click Add Action button. Next, in the pop-up window, click this Try It button. From these action button, you need to select this Watch Now option and continue. In the pop-up window, we need to add the YouTube channel link. So, we need to copy the channel URL link. And next, head back to Facebook page and paste it in this field. And save it. And done setting the Watch Now button under the Facebook page to connect and drive traffic to YouTube channel. Now let's confirm the Facebook Watch Now button is linked and drives traffic to YouTube channel. And done successfully. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates for more videos.